Hey, what's up everyone? Vinayak Gupta here, and today I'm diving into one of the hottest combos since peanut butter met jelly: solar panels and electric cars. That's right, solar-powered EV charging. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just for millionaires living in futuristic glass houses? Nope. It can be for you, me, or even your neighbor whose idea of green energy is mowing the lawn every Sunday. So let's break down how this works without making your brain hurt. You've got solar panels on your roof, soaking up that sweet sunshine. Those panels convert sunlight into electricity, like magic, but with more science and less wizard hats. That electricity flows into your home, and when your EV is parked, you plug it in, and boom, your car snacks on pure sunshine instead of gas station burritos. But wait, does it really save you money, or is it just a cool party trick? Let's do some quick math. The average American drives about 30 miles a day. Charging that in an EV costs around $1.50 from the grid, but with solar, you're looking at nearly zero, unless you count the price of bragging rights when you flex on your friends. Over a year, that's hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. That's at least 2 months of fancy lattes, or like a whole year of Netflix. Now, what about the setup? Is it rocket science? Not really, but don't go grabbing your toolbox just yet. First, you'll need enough solar panels, usually around 10-12 for the average home with an EV. Make sure they're pointing where the sun actually shines. Your shady backyard won't cut it. Next, you'll need an inverter. That's the little box that turns solar power into car juice. And finally, a home EV charger, installed by a pro, unless you like the idea of unplanned fireworks. And here's my favorite part, the feel-good bonus. Every time you charge up with solar, you're cutting down on emissions. That means fewer polar bears crying and more high fives from Mother Earth. Plus, your friends will think you're a genius. Or at least like 10% cooler. Alright, let's wrap it up. Charging your EV with solar panels isn't just eco-friendly, it's wallet-friendly too. You save money, help the planet, and get to tell everyone, yeah, I basically drive on sunshine. So, are you ready to make the switch? Drop your questions in the comments, hit that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more fun breakdowns. Until next time, I'm Vinayak Gupta, driving on sunshine and loving it. Peace out.